Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our first word is generally. In Gujarati, we say samanya રીતે. For generally, in Gujarati, we say samanya રીતે. Samanya રીતે. Seriously, in Gujarati, we say ગંભીરતાથી. 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 Okay, for seriously, in Gujarati, we say ગંભીરતાથી. ગંભીરતાથી. Frequently, in Gujarati, we say વારંવાર. For frequently, in Gujarati, we say વારંવાર. Certainly, in Gujarati, we say ચોક્કસપણે. Certainly, in Gujarati, we say ચોક્કસપણે. Okay, I am repeating. Generally, સામાન્ય રીતે, seriously, ગંભીરતાથી, frequently, વારંવાર, certainly, ચોક્કસપણે. Now, let us see sentences of all the words one by one. So, our first word is generally. In Gujarati, we say સામાન્ય રીતે. Okay, so as we know, I have already trained ChatGPT to give me sentences based on whatever words I am giving to it. So, see, he gave me one sentences along with the meaning of Gujarati. I mean, how to say the same sentence in Gujarati. So now let's understand it one by one. So, generally, we know the meaning is samanya રીતે. So our first sentence is, let me make it a little bit for you. Generally, shops open early. So in Gujarati, we say સામાન્ય રીતે દુકાનો વહેલી ખુલે છે. સામાન્ય રીતે means generally, dukano means shops. Okay, opens early. Veheli. Okay, early means veheli and opens. Khule che. So like whatever act is there, and when we are about to finish that sentence, at the end of the every sentence, we have to finish it with che word. This is I am always telling. So for example, here shops open early. So our sentence in the Gujarati will be સામાન્ય રીતે દુકાનો વહેલી ખુલે છે. So ખુલે છે, opening means ખોલવું. Okay, ખોલવું. If I want to say, can you please open the door? Can you please open the door? So in Gujarati, I can say, શું તું દરવાજો ખોલીશ? Now see, ખોલવું, opening. Okay, ખોલીશ because I am asking to open a door. So here, it's again a different act. In a way, I am asking. That's why ખોલવું, ખોલીશ, ખોલો. Like this. Okay. Now coming back to our main sentence is, generally shops open early. સામાન્ય રીતે, I mean generally, in Gujarati we say સામાન્ય રીતે દુકાનો. Okay, means shops. વહેલી means early. ખુલે છે, open. Our next word is seriously. Okay, seriously. In Gujarati, we say ગંભીરતાથી. Okay, ગંભીરતાથી. Now let's check the sentence. Now here we have very small and cute sentence. So in Gujarati, the sentence we have is he spoke seriously. He spoke seriously. So in Gujarati, we can say ene, because I am pointing to someone. Okay, I can also say tene. Okay, if it is she, I could say tene. Okay, tenine, because here we are talking about he. Okay, let me clear it for you. For he, tene. Okay, and if it is she, તેણીએ તેણીએ okay તેને for he, તેણીએ for she when we are talking for any third party person pointing out someone. એને ગંભીરતાથી okay એને means he, ગંભીરતાથી means seriously, and he spoke. So for speaking of something, in Gujarati we say વાત કરવી. Okay, if I want to say I speak about something, in Gujarati it means મેં કંઈક વાત કરી. Okay, so coming back to our sentence, એણે ગંભીરતાથી વાત કરી. Okay, વાત કરી for spoke. In Gujarati we say વાત કરી. So the complete sentence will be એણે ગંભીરતાથી means he is talking very seriously. ગંભીરતાથી વાત કરી. એણે ગંભીરતાથી વાત કરી. He seriously, he spoke seriously. Understood? Now let's check another word which is frequently. Okay, sorry, frequently, and in Gujarati we say varamvar. Okay, so now let's check the sentence. Now the sentence we have is I frequently visit this shop. Okay, I frequently visit this shop. So in this sentence I means who. Okay, frequently means varamvar. હું આ દુકાનમાં વારંવાર જઉં છું, or હું વારંવાર આ દુકાનમાં, આ means this and દુકાન means shop. આ દુકાનમાં વારંવાર જઉં છું. Okay, okay, જઉં છું here. So here understand the sentence is about to visit. If you see, the meaning of this sentence is not about I'm just going in a way, but let's say if I want to say I am going, so in Gujarati we say હું જાઉં છું, which is see here almost similar. But even if we are visiting something, the sense, the meaning, the act is also very similar, because I'm going there, it means indirectly I'm going to visit only. That's why we are using જાઉં છું. Okay, see, both are very similar to say when we speak in Gujarati, but you have to understand the concept as well. So here is, if I am talking about visiting, it means I am going there. I am going means હું જાઉં છું. Okay, frequently means વારંવાર. Frequently means વારંવાર. આ દુકાન means this shop, and જાઉં છું means I am going there to visit. So indirectly I am talking about visiting only. I am repeating, I frequently visit this shop. હું વારંવાર આ દુકાનમાં, okay, દુકાનમાં, because I am going in this shop, but obvious no, આ દુકાનમાં જાઉં છું. Okay, to visit. And if you want to say this another sentence, if you want to learn, if you want to say I am going, you can say હું જાઉં છું. I am going, for example, parlor. So હું parlor જાઉં છું, or I'm going to play cricket. હું ક્રિકેટ રમવા okay જાઉં છું. Or if you want to say I am going to meet my boyfriend. So in Gujarati you can say હું મારા મિત્રને મળવા જાઉં છું. હું મારા, so here you can use boyfriend word as it is, because in Gujarati even no one use any particular, a very particular word of boyfriend in Gujarati. So you can simply say હું મારા, હું means I, મારા means my, હું means I, and my means મારા boyfriend ને મળવા, boyfriend ને મળવા જાઉં છું. Okay, મળવા means to meet, and I'm going again જાઉં છું. So this is how you can create on sentences as well. My dear friends, I would like to have a online session on this where everyone joins, but when I'm having online session, I'm feeling that due to time zone or some reason people are not connecting. But if you are watching this video and if you feel we should connect a day somewhere, or you can suggest me a couple of times if you feel, we can connect online where I will solve your couple of queries regarding Gujarati sentences and words. So I would like to hear you. Now the next one is certainly. Okay, certainly, it means ચોક્કસપણે. In Gujarati we say ચોક્કસપણે. Okay, like when I want to say for example, will you come to my home, and I will say in Gujarati, yes, ચોક્કસ, I will come. In that way our sentence is I will certainly help you. So in Gujarati we say હું, okay, હું is equals I. ચોક્કસપણે means certainly. Tamari means your. Okay, because I am about to help you. Okay, your help, I mean you or your. Madad means help, and sorry, karis means I will do. Okay, will do. So our sentence in Gujarati is હું ચોક્કસપણે. For certainly in Gujarati we say ચોક્કસપણે. I will certainly help you. Okay, હું ચોક્કસ તમારી મદદ કરીશ. Okay, or if you, yeah, ચોક્કસપણે, I mean પણે word, if I mean પણે, that also you can remove. You can simply use ચોક્કસ as well. હું ચોક્કસ તમારી મદદ કરીશ. But if you use this, it will give a very beautiful effect. So we'll use the same. હું ચોક્કસપણે તમારી help કરીશ. Understand the meaning of each one by one. હું, I is equal to હું, certainly is equals ચોક્કસપણે, you means તમારી, help મદદ, will do કરીશ. Okay, હું ચોક્કસપણે તમારી મદદ કરીશ. Okay, so this is how you can create sentences by your own, understanding each word one by one. So the practice is all about just understand even word one by one. If you see, I am taking very small sentences just to make sure you understand first. So this journey is very big, my friends, where you will have to learn each day. So don't skip any video. Wherever you free, repeat my video again and again. Try to understand, learn how I pronounce, the tone, everything. See, my speaking of Gujarati is very generic, because even if you come in Gujarat, you will find different tones in terms of if you go to some village or city, you will find the same sentences, same words, different tone. But what I am speaking, what I am making you understand is which is real Gujarati word and sentences. The way I pronounce, will definitely understand, and I'm sure you will learn easily. So this is all about our today's session, my dear friends. We'll meet again with a new video, new learning. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.